Today I'm going to show you how I make my personal size pumpkin cinnamon swirl cake. This is so good and it's perfect for fall. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free, and it's super easy to make. So keep watching if you want to see how I make it.
So all you're going to need is coconut oil, pumpkin puree, an egg, vanilla, almond flour, cinnamon, stevia powder, monk fruit, baking powder, and chocolate chips or nuts, or both, depending on what you like, and then a little pinch of sea salt. First, you're going to add an egg and whisk it. I use pastured eggs because those are the best quality, but any egg will work. Then you're going to add your vanilla, your coconut oil, which should be melted or at room temperature. Then you're going to add in your pumpkin puree. Next, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients on top. So you're going to add your almond flour, monk fruit, stevia powder, cinnamon, baking powder, and then mix that a little bit on the top together and then mix it in with the liquid. Then you're going to add your chocolate chips. I'm using vegan, sugar-free chocolate chips, but any chocolate chips that you like will work. These are definitely my favorite chocolate chips if you're trying to get vegan and sugar-free. I'll link all the other ingredients that I use below as well, just because sometimes when you're using sugar-free sweeteners, they can vary. So I definitely recommend using the same ones that I use if you want the recipe to turn out how it's supposed to. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe out and what you think. And please make sure to remember to give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be coming out with tons of delicious, healthy recipes and lots of good healthy tip videos also.